If you want to make real money with the help of ChatGPT, and you don't want to waste your time with useless methods, then this is a video you'll want to see. In today's video, I will show you 5 best ways to make money using ChatGPT. After watching this video, you will be able to make your first money with the help of artificial intelligence. So be sure to watch till the end of this video, because this video will give you immense value. Let's begin. Welcome back to our channel. This is the second ChatGPT video we are making on this channel. In the first video, we talked about how you can automate your YouTube channel using ChatGPT and Pictory. I left you a link in the description if you are interested in YouTube automation in general. So, in case you still don't know what ChatGPT is, although it's unlikely, because ChatGPT is the most popular AI program at the moment. It's a program that uses artificial intelligence to answer your questions. Let me know down in the comments below if you have heard of ChatGPT and if you have tried to make money with it before. And make sure to stick around to the end of this video because I have prepared some mind-blowing methods for you, which you probably haven't thought of until now. So how can you make money with ChatGPT? Method number 1. Social media. ChatGPT can help you to create social media posts. You can post gigs on Fiverr, or search for people who need help with their social media posts using Upwork. Let me show you how to make a quick Instagram post plan for a sushi restaurant. We go into ChatGPT, and we'll tell him to write 5 Instagram post ideas for a sushi restaurant. And in a few minutes, ChatGPT will give us the 5 ideas we asked for. Ideas that will come in handy when we create our clients' posts. After our ideas have been generated, we can do something else. Because the ideas are not enough, we can ask him to organize them in a table. The idea appears in the first column, in the second column he gives us an idea about the image we will use in the post, and in the third column to appear the text that we will use in the post. Once we have the table with all the information we need, all we have to do is go into Canva and create the posts. We can use a template for a restaurant where we will change the images, with those suggested by ChatGPT, in just a few minutes. The second method that can bring you money is to get a job in AI, more exactly, learn to use ChatGPT and other AI programs. Because the release of ChatGPT, AI became more and more popular. And since the purpose of a business is to make a profit, more and more business owners will try to reduce their costs, especially the costs of employees. Instead of paying 3 people on the copywriting side and 2 on the graphic design side, they will hire only 1 person, who knows how to use ChatGPT and other AI programs, to write the best prompts for AI program, to provide better and concrete results. I will post a video shortly, where I will show you how to write the best prompts so that ChatGPT, OpenAI, or other AI programs give you the most personalized, and best possible answer or material. So make sure you hit the subscribe button on this channel so you don't miss the next videos I will post on the channel. So, AI jobs are the future, and many businesses will implement AI in their businesses to increase their profits. We are simply entering the golden age of AI. Just like it was a few years ago when YouTube was launched. Those who started YouTube channels during that time found it much easier to grow and monetize them. Likewise with AI, we are still in the early days, and if you understand it and learn how to use it, you will simply make a lot of money in the near future. So, do not miss this opportunity. Method number 3. Ebooks. You can sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon, and make a lot of money. And to do that, you must first choose a niche. The 3 most important niches are health, wealth, and relationship. These niches are long-lasting and are niches that cannot be affected by economic, political, or any other changes. So, after you have chosen your niche, for example, in this video I choose the relationship niche, and I ask ChatGPT to give me 3 title ideas for an ebook about relationships. After you have the title, you just have to start writing the ebook. You can ask ChatGPT to write a table of contents for a relationship ebook, and ChatGPT will do it for you. After you have the table of contents, you just have to tell ChatGPT to develop each chapter of the table of contents for you. And after you have the chapters written, you just have to combine them and make a cover for your ebook. You can make the cover using Canva, or even DALL-E from OpenAI, and upload it to Amazon. Now you have 2 options: either you wait to make sales through the traffic brought by Amazon, which by the way is not small at all. More precisely 2.7 billion people visit Amazon every month, or you create theme pages where you post different videos from your niche which you chose. Method number 4. Coding. Yes, you heard right. ChatGPT can also write code. What you need to do to make money is to ask ChatGPT to give you 3 simple Android app ideas that don't already exist. After you have chosen an idea that seems good and interesting to you, ask ChatGPT if it can write you code for the idea you have just chosen. and ChatGPT will write all the code for your application in just a few minutes and for free. If you are new to code and don't know how to turn this code into a real app, you can ask ChatGPT to write the exact steps for you, so you can create the app from scratch. And if you don't know what the procedures are for posting an app on the Play Store, you can ask ChatGPT and he will answer you. After you have done all this, you just need to promote the app to get downloads. If you don't know how to promote it, you can ask ChatGPT what are the best ways to promote the app. And in just a few minutes you will have the best ways to promote your app. Method number 5. YouTube. Last but not least is YouTube. Thanks to AI, creating automated YouTube channels is easier than ever. If you need a script for your video, you can ask ChatGPT to write one for you in minutes. For video editing, you can use Pictory, which will create your video without having to edit it. Pictory will do all the work for you in just a few minutes. I left a link in the description if you want to test the program for free. For voiceover you can use Murf, which is one of the best text-to-speech programs, offering voices very realistic. I also left you a link in the description. And for the thumbnail, you can use Canva or DALL-E from OpenAI to create your thumbnail in a few minutes. So, if you are serious about making money with YouTube automation, I have left in the description of this video a link to the best course in this niche, and a link to a free training, where Matt will teach how to start a successful YouTube automation channel. And if you liked this video, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel, so you don't miss the next videos I'll post. And leave a comment with your opinion on ChatGPT and AI in general. Is AI a good thing? Or is it eviler than we think? I want to know what you think, so be sure to write your opinion in the comment section below. Also, I am sure that these 2 videos will be of great use to you if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube automation.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I